Hello, it's Jill from the Youth Work team here today. So today we are going to show you how to make a little bird feeder out of a really simple process. And what you need for this is a toilet roll holder or kitchen roll, some lard or peanut butter, some bird seed, and last but not least, some string. Okay, so to get us started, what we're going to do is I'm going to use the peanut butter on this occasion. And what I'm going to do is smear the toilet tube with lots of peanut butter. So peanuts are good for birds. If you try and get the unsalted peanut butter though, because salt is not good for the birds. So I'm just smearing that in. The other thing you can use is lard. I'm not using that today for the simple fact that it's still cold, so it'll be really quite hard to smear around the tube. Okay, so this is a nice activity just to feed the birds that may be coming into your garden, because I don't know about you guys, but I have noticed a lot more birds, butterflies, bees, insects in general, kind of going about, so these will attract them into your garden. And once you've got them up and they're hanging, you can have a wee look outside and see what birds you see. So for the next part of this, I have put some seed in a dish, and quite simply I am going to roll the tube round to attach the seeds to the peanut butter. Okay, so just keep rolling, and get lots of nice seed on it. Okay, so it's pretty well coated. Okay, and the final part of this is quite simply a piece of string. Cut your piece of string. Okay, and then we are going to thread it through the toilet roll holder. And then at the top we're just going to make a little knot so that we can then hang it. So for hanging, you can basically hang it in trees, in bushes, on your fence, sheds, wherever you can. If you've got a window with a balcony or anything, it's basically anywhere that you can put one. And I've also got some other ones that I've made previously, just to give you some other ideas. But there's loads of great tutorials and different ideas online if you want to go and have a look. Or if you're feeling creative, design one yourself and be sure to share it with us. So this is basically an apple, which I have cut a piece out of, and quite simply using black sunflower seeds, you just pierce them through. So as you can see, some birds have had a bit of a nibble in this one already. The other one that I made is using a milk bottle. So all I've done is cut out the holes on either side of the milk bottle. I've got a twig, so this makes like a little perch for the birds to sit on, and then they can just go in and eat the bird seed that's in there. Again, on the top, pierce through to make a hanging vessel for the birds. So I look forward to seeing some of your own bird creations, and see you soon.